This is my new screwdriver and I'm very excited to try it out. Freaking easy. Piece of cake. Easy. So let's open it first. This part is always satisfying. Man, this is, well, the packaging is really cool. It's like you're opening a tech product. Okay, the case is beautiful, really good quality, heavy as well. Okay, so it has the logo in yellow and the box is all black, so really cool. And it has this button, let's see. Okay, whoa, really nice. I'm really excited, actually. So here we have, okay, it says charging cable inside, and actually here's a cable. Okay, okay, a standard USB-A to USB-C port. So to charge the pen, let's call it a screwdriver pen because it looks like it. So let's put this inside. Really cool department to put inside the cable. Probably I can use it to put other things like other bits or something like that. Here, what we have here, nothing. So actually we can use these two compartments to put other accessories that you may like it more and you think that's a good add-on to this pen. So really cool to have. These are the instructions, so let me see. Okay, so this is the settings and it tells you which torque to use in for what kind of project you're doing. So if you're doing like, let's see, opening a headset or a laptop, you should use 0.5 newtons. If you're doing like furniture, that's my specialty, you're probably using a 5 newtons. So really cool. So let me just take this out. I have to do it like this for you guys to see. Oh, okay, so here you have direct access to charge the pen. Really cool. So you can have this closed like this and you can put it on charge without opening or taking out the pen. So man, really good design. After I use it for a while, I will be doing some review on this product. Okay, the pen feels heavy, but in the good way, not in the bad way, like it's too heavy to hold in a strange position, but it's heavy like it's a really good quality. So okay, this is the torque levels, I believe. Oh man, this is this is awesome. Okay, can I hold it like this? Yeah, it holds. So you have an extension here. You have an extension. This is really handy as well. And you have tons of bits. So we have 2, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 bits. 5 of which are long bits, so it's cool. And 15 bits short bits. So really awesome. And you have here a compartment. I believe it's to magnetize the bits. So cool as well. It's actually a really good function of a screwdriver because sometimes you want to screw a screw from down to up, and while you're doing like this, the screw just goes off. So it's really cool. So let's try it out. We have put the extension and now we're putting the bit. Look, try to hear this. Okay, it has magnets and here it has a really good and strong attach mechanism. So here, yeah, so really cool. Nice. So this is the 0.5 newtons, I believe. Then you have 1 Newton, 2 Newtons, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 levels. And we have to test it out. So before that, so we have the standard, so like so. And you have here, okay. Oh, cool. I'm going to be honest. I saw the tool and I thought, well, this is really cool. I want one of these. I, for a long time, want something like this, a pen-like screwdriver, but I didn't watch other videos on this product, so I could do a really first-time impression. So, as you can see here, you have a light, and the light shows you in which level it is. So at this time, it's at 6 newtons, so it's the max. But as you go down, the light disappears and shows only where it's at. So at this point is at 2 newtons. Really clever, really nice. Okay, so let's put it at max, and here it is. Really cool. It could have like a battery meter. It will be nice as well. Probably this is it or not, but it's a LED and it's cool as well. So we have another head here. How can we connect this? So for a newbie like me, I never used a pen screwdriver before. So if I could do it without even watch any other video about this kind of product, it's because the product is good. When you don't have to do much to find out how to use it, it's because a product is really good and well designed. So like this, probably. Yeah, you see? Really cool and well designed product, actually. Man, this is awesome. So let's put another one. Yeah, really cool. Okay, so to finish here, okay, and you simply take it off, and you have place for everything. So as you can see, you have place for everything. And another smart move and design move here is to take the bits out. You only press in the tip of the bit like so, and it comes out. So, and it's magnetized. So, man, this is really good quality. If you want, and this is my first impression, let me say that. If you want something like this, like a screwdriver pen, this is really one for considering. So I think it's time to test it out. So we have this strip from the Windows blind, and we're going to move it from here to there, and we're going to test the screwdriver pen. So let's do it. Okay, moment of the truth. Okay. Easy. Freaking easy. Very nice. Let's do the other one. And magnetizes. Let's put it in place. So as you can see, the magnetized tip comes in handy because I'm holding the object with the other hand, and I don't have any spare hands because I only have two like everyone else. And yeah, and I need the magnetized tip to hold my screw in place. Very cool. Let's put the other one. Piece of cake. Yeah, it's in place. So pass the test. Okay, so we test it out, and man, this little thing, it's a beast. So I love it. I'm gonna use it very often. I'm just going to charge it, and it's going to be part of my new tool set. So I'm really, really content. So now what we can do, it's like a little extra, and man, I'm really content. Thank you very much, Fanttik, for sending this out to me. I'm really happy with this tool. And this one as well. So the Fanttik A10 Pro. So this is a 2-in-1 digital laser tape measure. And it's awesome, really. So let's open it out. And the packaging, once more, it's really cool. And we have like the instructions as usual. So here, 2 packs of instructions. Then we have the actual tape. Really cool. The design is fabulous, really. So you have a black as well with Fanttik in yellow, and you just press here to turn it on. It shows the logo, and then you can select the different options that the laser has. So here you have the settings where you choose the language and what more. Units, you can choose the units, if centimeters or feet. Then reference, offset, orientation, brightness, language like I said, and reset. So this is the settings option. Let me select meters. Then you have the go back button, and then you have 3 more options. So the records, so you can save all the measurements that you have done in the past. That's really handy as well if you want to measure something and go back to it to input in the computer or something. Then you have the laser. The laser is fantastic. You can do distance measurements, bubble. I really don't know what this means, but I'm going to find out and then I show you. And volume mass. This one, volume mass and area measurement. The area measurement is really cool, and I'm really content with this option because you can know what area a room has without doing any calculations. So we can test it out, but before, let me show you. It has a USB-C port here to charge it, and it has a tape as well. If you want to use like a regular tape, it has one. You have the button to put it back in place. Really awesome. It just goes in if you press this button. If you don't, it stays in place, and this is really cool because sometimes you struggle with putting it in place and something. So really cool. Even if you use the physical tape, it shows how much you're measuring. I'm really content with these 2 products. They are really excellent adds to my tool set, and I'm going to use them surely. So in the next videos, you're probably going to see them very often. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about these 2 products. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video if you took something profitable from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.